Today on Cooking for Real, I'm going to show you the classic stuffed bell peppers. I'm going to make this as simple for you as possible. Stay tuned. So here we have one medium onion, finely diced. And next we have 3 cloves of garlic, minced. Now we have 6 green bell peppers. You can use any color you like. Take the tops off, clean out the insides, save the tops. We are doing our best not to waste anything, so we're taking the stems out of these tops and then finely dicing the pepper that surrounds them. In here I have half a tablespoon of salt, 4 coarse grinds of black pepper, about a tablespoon of fresh oregano, a teaspoon of savory, half a tablespoon of basil, half a tablespoon of parsley, and half a tablespoon of cilantro. Into the cast iron frying pan now we have added 2 tablespoons of olive oil and set it to get hot. And while I wait for that oil to heat up, I'm going to dice up a little bit of celery. Now that that oil is hot, we're going to add our onions to the pan, our pepper tops, our celery, the garlic, and all of that delicious seasoning. Okay, so now we're just going to preheat this oven to 350 degrees. Over here I have 2 cups of pre-cooked rice that I actually made that in the oven. It's a lot simpler, and we're holding on to that for the next step. Okay, that is the cook we are looking for, mostly translucent, and the vegetables are soft. So now what we've done is we've added those vegetables directly to the pan full of rice, and we're about to start on the hamburger. So now we are cooking the hamburger in the same pan that we cooked the vegetables in. Not only does it pick up the flavors from the vegetables that were cooked in the pan, it has the added benefit of picking up any remaining vegetables that were left behind when we dumped it. We are looking for this hamburger to be browned, but not overdone and well crumbled. So I'm actually taking this meat and putting it on a paper towel lined dinner plate and letting the majority of the grease drain off. Now I've just taken that and added it to the rice and vegetable mixture. And I am adding half a jar of tomato sauce. Now we just blend everything together and get ready to stuff those peppers. So now you take all of these peppers and you stuff them, pack them tight because there's a lot more filling here than you realize. And then you will have extra. Go ahead and fill in the spaces in between the peppers with your extra filling. Now, cheese isn't necessary, nor is it part of the original recipe, but we like it. So I did shred up some sharp cheddar cheese and sprinkled it on top. And now I'm going to pour the rest of that tomato sauce over that. And then we're going to tent this with foil and put it in our oven for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. There you have it, the classic recipe, except for my cheese, for stuffed bell peppers. Everybody should have the classics in their wheelhouse, and this is a good one to have on standby because you can actually feed quite the crowd with it. Thank you for joining me on Cooking for Real today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave comments.